Hello and welcome to a fresh episode of Bioenigma Uncovered. In our ongoing series on QIIME 2, today we are going to learn about how to download a sample metadata file from NCBI web page and how to validate this sample metadata file using QIIME 2's KEEMEI extension tool. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Before moving forward, I would like to let you know that KEEMEI is not a command line tool, but rather it is a Google Sheets add-on. To simply use this tool, you need to open a blank spreadsheet and click on the menu button. From there, you will find the option of extensions. When you hit on this extension button, simply click on add-on, and then further you can search for KEEMEI, that is KEEMEI, and when you see the option, just press the enter button and you will be able to install KEEMEI extension tool. For downloading your sample metadata file in your browser web page, type ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, or you simply can type NCBI, and from the search options you will be able to access the NCBI homepage. Once this homepage is open, click on this all database options, and once you click on, you will see a drop down menu. Scroll down this drop down menu and you will see an option called SRA. Select this option, then type the name of the SRR file you want to download. For example, I'll type here SRR 21601752. Once you have typed the name of or the number of your SRR file, hit on the search button. So once you hit the search button, within a few seconds a new page will open, and this will provide you details about your SRR file. For example, here you can see the PRJ number, which is the project number, and SAMN stands for your sample number. Along this line of PRJNA, you will see an option called all runs. Hit this option and within a few seconds, the details of selected bio projects will open up, which include assay type, biosample model, center name, means where the study was conducted, and so on. Scrolling down, you will be able to see the metadata option. Scrolling down further, you will be able to see that there are multiple SRR files which are present under this PRJ number or project number. So you can download the metadata files for all these SRR files by simply clicking on this option in this selected row as shown on your screen. Else you can select as many SRR files for which you need the metadata. So for the sake of simplicity, I will select only one SRR file and then hit on this metadata button. So once you hit this metadata button, your SRR file will be downloaded into your download folder. So once you have downloaded your sample metadata file, in your browser page, type sheets.google.com. You will see various options. From this, click on the blank spreadsheet. Once you have selected this, a blank sheet will open up in a few seconds. Click on this file option, then click on open button as shown on your screen. A box will open up. From this, select the option called upload. Click on the browse option. Go to your download folder. Select your QIIME metadata file, and you will see that your metadata file is now open up. You need to remember that QIIME 2 does not recognize capitalized letters. So you need to either provide a small case letters or instead add a hashtag against all those letters which have been capitalized. So I will simply replace this run by hashtag sample ID, or rather sample ID, likewise hashtag essay. So I will convert all these column headings either into small case letters or add a hashtag in front of all the letters. And also one thing you must remember is that do not add any blank spaces between words. So like here it is center dash name, I replace it hashtag center underscore name, hashtag consent. So make sure that all letters are having a hashtag in front or they start with a small case letters. So do this for all column headings. Once you have done that, just click on this extensions button. Once you click on this extension button, a drop down menu will open up. right at the bottom you will see the option called KEEMEI. Once you click on this KEEMEI, you will see another drop down box, and in this drop down box select the validate QIIME2 metadata file, and you will see it is going to provide a validation report. So you can see that you will get a validation report, and it says that good news sheet, this CSV is a valid QIIME2 metadata file. You can simply now close it. Once you close it, click on again the file option. From this, the drop down menu will open up. Select the download menu and select this tab separated value .tsv option, and once you select it, your sample metadata file will open within a few seconds.
I hope you like our today's content. In the next part, we are going to learn about how to perform taxonomic analysis using QIIME2. If you like our content, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching this video.